everyone, what's up? I am Chef Aruna from Truthful Nation Baking Academy, where we help aspiring bakers to become professional pastry chef. Welcome back to our channel, and आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं a no-bake cream caramel pudding. And can you guess where we will bake these puddings? A frying pan. Yes, you heard that right. Today's recipe is a cream caramel pudding in a frying pan. These are creamy and taste just like how a normal pudding does. So let's start the recipe. But before that, make sure कि आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें so that you guys can stay updated with all our upcoming videos. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. सबसे पहले हम इस सॉस पैन में पुडिंग के सारे इंग्रेडिएंट्स ऐड करके कुक करेंगे, स्टार्टिंग विद मिल्क. Followed by heavy cream, castor sugar, and vanilla essence, and bring it to a boil. Now we'll keep it aside to cool down a bit and start beating eggs with a whisk until it becomes foamy. Now we'll add the milk mixture to the egg while stirring it continuously. अब हम इसे रेमेकिन मोल्ड्स पे पोर कर देंगे. We'll then cover these ramekin molds with aluminum foil. We'll place this in the frying pan and add hot water around the molds until 3/4 level. We'll cover it with the lid and cook for 15 minutes on medium heat. So it's been 15 minutes. We'll now turn off the heat and let it sit for 10 minutes with the lids on. Meanwhile, let's make the caramel for the pudding. उसके लिए हम sugar and water को cook करेंगे until we get amber colored caramel. In this, we'll add hot water and cook for a few minutes. We'll let it cool down completely. So our caramel is done. Now let's check out the pudding. We'll remove the aluminum foil and touch it with our finger to check if it's done or not. If it's firm, then it's done, and if it's jiggly, then cook again for a few minutes. We'll pour our caramel over the puddings. With this, our caramel puddings are ready to be served. I really hope कि आपको ये रेसिपी पसंद आई. If you like this recipe, then do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified every time we post a new recipe. And I'll be back with another new recipe. Till then, keep baking.